Hi, we're making an Among Us today, like the pill people, but I don't know if this is working, so please let me know. So we start with a magic ring with 6 single crochet in it, and then in the next round we increase in each single crochet from the previous round. And we continue that all around. We should have 12. And we should go in and out with the needle so that it doesn't rip or it can't be taken apart. Then from rounds 3 to 6 we're going to single crochet 1 in each stitch until the end of the round. So we should still have 12 when we're all done. We finish off here and we have to make 2 of these legs. We just won't finish off on the other one. We're gonna join together. Right here we chain 2 and we slip stitch into the other leg and we'll single crochet all around. We'll single crochet all around including the chain, so in each chain we'll increase by 3, so we end up with 30. And this is where I'm a little confused. So I single crocheted around 5 more so I could move the stitch marker. And we'll single crochet from round 7 to 13 all the way around for each round. This is where I started stuffing and when I start getting a little confused because I'm not sure that there's enough, like if it's long enough to be one of the pill people. It might be too short, it might just be a pair of legs on the bottom, and I know that's what they are, but I still feel like it's probably too small. For round 15, I single crocheted 3 and decreased with the other 2 and continued that pattern all around. For this round, I single crochet 2 and decrease with the next 2 all the way around. And here is where I'm starting to convince myself that the top is not long enough, so I single crocheted 1 and decreased with the next 2. And I stopped here because I'm not sure. Let me know what you think, please, in the comments below. Thank you all so much for watching. Please let me know if this is too small, if it's okay, if it needs more rows in the comments below. I would really appreciate it. Thank you.